Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from this Google Assistant audio system in this 2021 Volvo V90. So from any screen here, you've got settings in the corner. If you go into settings or the cog sign here, then you've got connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM data. If you click the arrow at the right, then it brings up those options, and we actually want Bluetooth. Now you've got another two options after you've clicked that: pair new device and edit device. We want to edit device. Click edit device, and there you see Barry's iPhone 13 Pro and the bin. Click the bin, forget device, forget. No paired devices, that's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth Google Assistant audio system in this Volvo 2021 V90. So first thing we need to do is switch on Bluetooth like so, and then we're watching at the bottom here. But over to the system, we click the cog button in the bottom right hand corner, the settings, connectivity, Bluetooth, and then you've got pair new device. Now alternatively, there's no devices paired, there's nothing connected to this system at the moment, and you've got Bluetooth media player there and phone. If we click phone, here we go, to make or receive calls, pair your phone with a car, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Well, it is, so we can do this as well. We can get to it that way, and it gets to the same screen. Pair new device. Brought my phone up already, so we'll click on that. We want it for Bluetooth and media. If you're having any trouble at any stage, you can't play your audio, come back to this screen, make sure there's a tick in media, and then click next. It shows it's pairing there. We're just waiting for it to come up here. Yep, Bluetooth pairing request 052222 052222. Yep, connect. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Volvo showing not connected at the moment, but that's it, connected as soon as that comes up. So connected there. Edit your phone settings. Go to your phone settings and allow access to messages and notifications for this car. I'm not going to do that, but this car's going back tomorrow, so there's no point for me. So we'll just click done there, and then, sorry, we need to click allow there. Once I've cleared that screen, that's it connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Volvo V90. So that's the home button. If you're on any other screen, all you need to do is click the four squares in the corner, and you've got their Bluetooth media player. Onto music, or whatever you want to play. You'll see at the bottom there the triangle and the circles. If you click on there, Volvo V90, there's a tick next to it. Any audio that plays off here, be it Spotify, YouTube audio track, not the video, Amazon Music and Apple Music will play through here. So now I'm going to click play, but funnily enough, on this system, normally it's your phone that controls the system. In this car, with this system, it's the system that controls your phone. So that's actually turned right down. I can't click play, it just goes off. So we'll go to music, Bluetooth media player, and you'll see there, that's not actually the track that's, there we go. Blooming thing. Right, so, now if it has got a mind of its own, but now if I click play, I could have clicked it when it was down there, could click play like that, and then turn it up. The sound's fantastic in this car. The speakers are brilliant. That's how you stream audio. Of course, the other way, if I stop that, the other way is just knock this off, come out of it. Let's just go back to the home. There's nothing playing. There you go. If I turn that up, hey Google, play music.
All right, I can play that on Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, or Deezer. Which one do you want to use?
Apple Music.
Apple Music isn't installed on your device. You can install Apple Music to start listening.
So there's kind of a conflict. You can, as I say, if by clicking that, you can just, that comes onto your music already, Bluetooth audio. But if you've got an iPhone, the best way to do it is, hey Siri, shuffle music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
There you go, that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to use the sat-nav in this 2021 Volvo V90. There's some really easy ways. It has got Google Assistant. For instance, you can either say, hey Google, take me to Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston.
Navigating to Grosvenor Garage Motor Vehicle Sales Limited.
Coming up there. All I have to do is confirm. And that's it. Or alternatively, you're driving along, take me to Starbucks.
There are quite a few Starbucks coffee locations nearby. The one is 1.5 miles away. Should I add it as a stop?
Yes, please.
Okay, adding a stop at Starbucks Coffee.
Or find an electric charging point.
Showing results for nearest electric charging point along your route.
There you go, slow, medium, medium. Those are, I can't see any fast chargers there. They're all slow or medium. But I'd go to that one, nearest one. So it's added a stop. It's that side of the system's brilliant. We've already got a route going, so hang on 1 second. Let me just knock that off. Next stop, exit navigation. Right, so now we've got the search button up at the top, the proper search button. Just knock that off. Click search. I want Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR, change to numerals, 5. We need to put a space in. It's only 2-digit numbers, so I need to put a space in on this one. 4, go back to letters, E, A, that's it, PR5, 4EA, click on that, click start. That's it, so that's pretty simple to operate.